So the taxi cabs now put like a barrier between the passenger and the driver. Pretty interesting. So the black Scorpions are pretty much done, and then we'll go to the blue ones hopefully later this week. After the first batch, there were some things that could be improved on the packaging. So we improved the packaging. Now we're gonna do some tests. So we'll do a build out, check and see how it looks after the dropping in on different sides. That test was about 90 to 100 centimeters, 3 feet up. So we got a little bit of damage here. We'll probably have to make some adjustments here. And then redo the packaging, redo the test. Box, so we repackaged the bike, we repaired the damaged parts, and then we're gonna go with some more simulated delivery guy. So we're gonna open back up the box and check out the bike, see if adjustments we made any difference. All right, so of impact on the bikes. Okay, so let's take out the rest and check everything else. A little better job on that. So one of the challenges with shipping direct, you don't have the bike shop to do the assembly and check the bike. So usually when you ship to the bike shop, they're shipped on pallet, and that's gonna sustain a lot less damage. But when you're doing direct to consumer, your box is just being handled very roughly by the carriers. It's not their fault, it's just the nature of the box size is right at the limit. You can sustain a lot of damage, so the bikes have to be like super padded up versus the bikes that go to a shop. So we really have to invest a lot in packaging strong and sturdy. Otherwise you get a bike, it's a terrible experience when the bike is arriving damaged. 变形还是什么？变形的啊，这个的变压灯那么电台了啊，这个的。Okay, gonna go try again. That. When I started Juice Bikes back in 2009, I figured the best job for e-bikes is just getting point A to point B without using your car, mainly for cargo use. This also has a fun aspect, but getting from point A to point B, it seems like the best use for these things. Easily one of the most efficient vehicles. With this pandemic, it really highlight the need for moving things around very efficiently, very quickly. So in some sense, we're now kind of going back to the original purpose. Just lately, we've been really focused on the essentials of e-bikes, you know, moving stuff around, making the bikes capable of doing that job perfectly. All right, so today we're gonna work on a little bit of cargo capability for the Scorpion. I'm out here, we got it fitted with trailer. Just trying to see how it handles, how the controller is working with the added weight. This is like the perfect road. It's basically 1 mile straight in either direction. So it's perfect for doing any kind of testing. It's almost completely level. So just down through here, you can pretty much just test all day. So with the pandemic, one of the things that have become very popular is food delivery. The fastest way to get around food delivery is by e-bike. We're working very hard to create the ultimate platform on the Scorpion for food delivery. We've been buying all the backpack bags, making sure they can fit on our bike, and adding different accessories to accommodate these bags. So we really want to make the Scorpion really the best platform for e-bike delivery. One of the very popular solutions is your backpack type delivery bags. So here's a little preview of some of the solutions we've been working on for the delivery. So here, basically it's the same rack, it's just extended. So far we've been trying to dial in a rear rack that can accommodate perfectly your most popular delivery boxes. and delivery bags. So here you can see it fits perfectly onto the rack, and then it can strap in down here, or if you need to carry it on your backpack, you can just pop it off. Inside you have an insulated compartment, a place for your drinks. We've already done some deliveries. It works very, very well. This is going to be the ultimate solution for delivery. You got basically a class 3 e-bike with pedals, you know, almost 1 kilowatt hour battery pack, one of the biggest batteries you can get out there. So very, very pumped up about this. I'll be doing more footage of this solution as we go down through production development. So we got the black Scorpions packed up, and we're just waiting for the containers to load. On the other side, we got the blue Scorpions going. So it's the first time we getting a chance to look at the production blue Scorpions, which is pretty exciting. These will be with the spokes, so if you order on Indiegogo, you will have them with the spokes. And then after that, we move to all mag wheels on the regular Scorpion bikes. So we got the blue frames coming. Just have a quick look at those. Getting ready to load up on the parts for assembly. You can see the graphics on the blue frames are black. Looks pretty good. Just gonna have a quick walk down the line just to make sure everything is going well. So far it looks pretty good. So kind of winding down this week. It's Friday now, Saturday, one more day of work, and then get a nice little rest on Sunday. Come back on Monday. But yeah, you don't really get a weekend here. You just kind of get one day of rest. And when you do, sometimes you do get a Saturday and Sunday. That's called double rest. So 6-day work week typically. Some factories go 7 days a week, which is pretty hard when you start doing that day after day after day. Many projects kind of becomes a little bit overwhelming when you got all the balls in the air, but we try to manage the best we can. We'll load that last batch of Scorpions next week. The blue ones should follow right after, and we'll see where we are on the Hypers. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna go and grab some food now, take a little nap, and then wrestle with the VPN and get this thing uploaded. So thank you for your support. I'll keep you guys updated.